So I'm seeing a lot of comments coming through, more than I'm used to, so thank you. Sniping Rhino, Madam Nexus, Tim, I don't remember the rest, but thank you for all the comments. I really like reading comments. So this tool is a poiky tool. You grab the lid, take the lid, and it stands by itself, but I'm not paying attention, so there we go. Boom. Anyway, so in this time of weird Wi-Fi, I went ahead and added corn as well. Corn on the cob. Yes, there it is. Corn on the cob, really looking good. And now this one is going to simmer for quite a while. I'm simmering it for quite a while for a really cool reason. The reason being that my lovely wife, who somehow refuses to be on camera nowadays, I don't know why, she has been making dumplings, basically. I've got smoke in my eyes. Bread dough. That bread dough will be going into the pot on top when all is said and done. Everything is basically done. Then you put on some bread dough. That will be step where am I now? Step 4 or 5. But now the current next step will be a refill, because this one is empty. Everything went in there, not in there. Anyway, thanks for all the comments. I really enjoy it. Keep watching. There will be a taste test. We have someone here who doesn't really enjoy meat. I'll just show everyone who that is. Everyone knows my daughter, my wife, and then the meatless vegan thing. Yeah, in our house we're Christians, we're not vegans. Anyway, so she's not a big fan of meat, so she will be the taste tester on this one. And once again, thank you for the comments, thank you for watching. Please let everyone else you know, send them the link to all these videos, and have them watch it too. Comment down below. It's quite fun to hear from people outside of the Corona area. As you can see, my fence is up, and we're not leaving, so we're braaiing. Let me teach you how to South African. Keep watching.